just collected a ton of bamboo and stuck it everywhere that we could fit in our trailer so that we could bring it with us, because I couldn't wait to build with it and make stuff out of it. I've always thought that it was just like a really beautiful wood and very multi-purpose and kind of easy to build with, and then beautiful. I don't know, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it yet when we collected it. I just know that I needed it and I wanted it, and we were relocating, so it's not like I could just, you know, go into the backyard and get it. And everybody's been extremely appreciative and supportive and encouraging too, because it is hard. Then we do some hand sanding, so even after the grinder I still go through and just kind of make it nice and smooth around the edges, and then I'll do like an inside sanding as well. So all these edges are nice and smooth and the inside is like a So one of the things that we're doing is we're trying to cut. I'm not just like blindly cutting these as I'm going. I'm trying to pick where I want to cut based on where the little natural designs are. And now we're looking at this piece and trying to decide which of these designs we want on which piece. Every bead I have touched. You know, every bead I have put my own, literally sometimes blood, sweat, and tears, you know, into these. This is the fun part. If this is all I had to do, that I'd be like, no worries, I'm doing this the rest of my life. Because I could just make these for myself all day long and be fine. Whenever I'm trying to help people with their orders, I just tell them how I feel, which is I want you to be as happy wearing this as I am when I'm wearing my stuff. When they show me a picture of my beads in their hair and they have this smile on their face and they tell me how much they enjoy the beads, then I have that fulfillment that makes me want to really keep doing it. The fact that it can make other people happy and other people enjoy my art. I think any artist knows what I'm talking about, where it just kind of comes full circle and it really feels good. So it's exciting.